Meet the common merganser, one of nature's sleek underwater hunters. These ducks are sometimes called sawbills because of their long, serrated beaks, perfect for gripping slippery fish. Unlike many ducks, mergansers can dive deep and swim powerfully underwater to chase down their prey. What's even more amazing, they nest in tree cavities, sometimes high above the ground, and when the ducklings hatch, they bravely leap down to the forest floor and follow their mother to water. These birds are not just beautiful. They're living reminders of how specialized and adaptable wildlife can be.